To build a drifter, you will need a soldering iron, some solder, a multimeter, a wire stripper, a pair of tweezers, some heat shrink sleeves, a battery, a solar panel, the board's GPS and GSM antennas, a charging circuit, a 1000 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, a microSD and a SIM card. First, solder the pins to the board. Then shape the terminals of the capacitor into small rings and place it on the VBA and GND pins. At this point, solder the resistor on pins D8 and D3. Solder two orange leads on D3 and use a heat shrink sleeve to protect it. Repeat this process for the two blue leads on D8 and the two black leads on the second GND pins. Now prepare the power circuit by soldering the board connector to the charging module as shown in the video. Connect ground to the right pin, which should make the micro USB port point upwards. Connect the battery leads into the inner pins. The ground will be connected to the right pin again. Finally, solder the leads to the battery. After testing, connect the sensors to the previously soldered leads. The orange lead will go to the middle terminal, and taking the flat part as a reference, the ground will be connected to the left terminal, the blue lead to the right terminal.
For the realization of the prototype of the bottle, we need these materials. The first step is to cut a bottle in half and use part of it as a lid. Then make two holes that will allow the connection of the solar panel. Cut a second bottle as shown. Apply the primer under a fume hood or outdoors and let dry for 30 minutes. Center the position of the marble with the spirit level and fix it on the surface of the bottle with rotabond. Now fix the high P40 electrical box to the marble with rotabond. Sand the surface of the lid, make two holes and fix the solar panel with rotabond. Sand the label and bottle surface, then clean with alcohol and finally fix the label with rotabond. Let dry for 24 hours. After incorporation of the electronic component, sand the edges of the bottle, apply primer and finally seal with rotabond. For the realization of the prototype of the tablet, we need these materials. with a pencil, divide the board in half and work on one side. Then, drill the designated parts. Impregnate the wood with Ovatro. 2 coats by brush with sanding between the first and second coat. Proceed with 2 coats of white paint. Using paper tape, apply the fluorescent red paint along the edges by at least 3 cm. Then, apply transparent protective spray over the entire surface. Insert the solar panel into the holes and fix it with the screwdriver. Insert the cables into the IP56 box and secure it on the board with the Rotobond. Finally, fix the label and the wooden plate with the Rotobond.